Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a head-to-head comparison. The Ecovacs Deebot T20 Omni and the Shark AI Ultra. Both promise a feature of keeping your floors spotless, but they have some key differences. Let's see which one reigns supreme. First up, the Ecovacs Deebot T20 Omni. This robot vacuum is packed with features, including a self-emptying and self-washing dock, mopping capabilities, and advanced obstacle avoidance. It even has a hot water mop wash for extra cleaning power. The T20 Omni's comprehensive cleaning system and hands-free operation are major advantages. However, it comes with a premium price tag. Now, let's look at the Shark AI Ultra. This robot vacuum also boasts a self-emptying dock and intelligent navigation. It focuses on powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll designed to minimize hair wrap. The Shark AI Ultra is known for its strong cleaning performance and effective hair pickup, and it's also typically more affordable than the Ecovacs. However, it doesn't offer the mopping capabilities. Which robot vacuum is right for you? Now, choose the Ecovacs Deebot T20 Omni if you want the most comprehensive cleaning experience, including mopping, and are willing to invest in a premium robot vacuum. Now, on the other hand, choose the Shark AI Ultra if you prioritize powerful suction and effective hair pickup and are looking for a more budget-friendly option with a self-emptying dock. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs and budget. So just consider what's most important to you. Mopping, is it suction power, hair pickup, or price? Okay, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.